My name is Tanez Tan. I'm a student at Roanoke-Chowan. My major is welding technology. I've been going out here for about a year. I went to the Con Ed during the summer, and right now I'm in classes for the curriculum to finish up to get my plate certificate and my pipe certificate.
Hi, my name is Marvin Ryan. I'm in the Roanoke-Chowan Community College welding program. This is my first semester, and man, I'm very excited about the field of welding. You know, you see me wearing my safety vest. I got my shield, my gloves. My goal is to get a degree in welding, find a good job, and you know, get in the workforce.
My name is Evangeline Ingram, and I am an assistant welding instructor or lab tech here at Roanoke-Chowan Community College. I'm an upcoming graduate in May. I've completed the following courses in the welding program. I'm certified in stick, MIG, and FlexiCore, and in plate and pipe. And my last class that I'm working on now is TIGging on pipe. Once I complete my TIGging on pipe class, I'll be graduating from the welding technology program. My goal is to become a full-time welding instructor.
Hello, my name is Victor Davidson. I'm the lead welding instructor at Roanoke-Chowan Community College, the program coordinator. The welding department, we teach a variety of different types of welding. We teach stick welding, MIG welding, which is wire welding, FlexiCore welding, which is another type of wire welding, TIG welding on plate and pipe. We do stick on pipe, stick on plate. We show you the safety precautions, things you need to take to go through the program, what will help you once you get into the industry.
My goals was when I came out here to get my plate certificate, my pipe certificate, and start a career in welding. Hey, look, we'll do it.
Students how to use the torches, the hand torches, and the track burners. And we also teach the students
to use proper safety procedures. Now,
Hi, my name is Marvin Ryan. I'm in the welding program at Roanoke-Chowan Community College. And you see me wearing this coat right here because that's for protection with the welding. I mean, start over. I influence all the kids to get up and do something, you know. You ain't doing nothing. If you're not doing anything, get up and do something, you know. Time flies by. Get up and do something constructive with your life.